Alright, so this is a quick video before. Again, I work in a cement plant, so my car sees some clinker dust from the quarry for my sunroof. And this is just one night after I just washed it. Let's try another car wash and see how it goes. Alright, Petro can, let's see what you got. Looks like a $15 car wash. See what we get. So this is like a super ghetto car wash, but the roadway to get in here if you drive a low car is a little rough. I shouldn't say it's a ghetto car wash, it is just a car wash. We'll take the mask down for COVID and we'll put it in park. I really hope you guys have seen the before pictures. My sunroof, oh my god, not good. Tried a cheaper car wash on the way here on the reservation and not so much. It literally was out of soap, so that was going to be pointless for me. These are more expensive than the Shell. I actually go to the Shell a lot. It's right by my house. And the owners are actually super cool, and yeah, I always win lottery tickets from there. But now we're gonna try a Petro Canada in Belleville, Ontario, Canada. We're gonna give a nice solid review. Overall, I think the soap's a little light, especially for the crap that my car is in for right now. Really hope it takes the clinker dust off. So again, I do work in a cement plant, so you're gonna get a lot of clinker dust, which is really high in lime content, which is not good for your clear coat, your paint. And with this new car, my Honda, I really want to keep it nice and clean and looking good in the driveway. All right, here's your funky soap. Again, I still think it's a little bit less than what you actually get at Shell up the road. I always confuse it with Esso, so if I contradict myself, I'm sorry. I'm trying to keep a car wash as entertaining as possible. Hopefully the dryer's a lot better in this than the other. Here comes your high pressure rinse, which is not taking all my soap off. Like that. Soap's still there. Come on, Petro can. Whoa, it's like missing half of it. Parked right in the center. Yeah, what's up with this? Here we go. Well, I did have a spot on my windshield once this clears over. Right there, still there, still there. Seriously, this makes me super worried that this is 100% not gonna take all this crap off my car. It looks like I got most of the stuff off the roof though. Happy with that. We'll see. Right now we're doing the spot-free rinse. I got a whole bunch of different options here, so I think it's more expensive because it gives you more crap. See if I have to dry her off with a towel after. Hopefully not. It's definitely not picking up that dirt on the windshield. Alright, I think my last video. Now it is a surface protection, which if you look up here, I don't know if it'll pick it up in the window. See all the spots up there? Didn't even take it off. And I'm gonna put a whole bunch of surface protection on top of dust. Awesome. So I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there that do, ooh, it's working, that do the car wash reviews. It's going to be more based towards your construction workers that are stuck with crappy environments that work in and cars that get absolutely destroyed. I feel like I should be over a little bit. I think that might be it. Drive forward. Alright, so this time I got a lot longer drying, but I'm gonna milk it. I don't feel like towel drying today. Definitely stronger dryers. Gotta speed her up a little bit. Look at my windshield. All the spots, dust, didn't even take it off. Like I just wasted 15 bucks. Buddy's looking at me as I'm filming. As you can see, completely soaked, water spots everywhere. Not impressed. I will get back to you on the review. See you when I pull over. What does a $15 car wash from Petro can look like? This is my car right after the car wash. I literally just left there and my car is absolutely still disgusting. So that was a big waste of $15. Wow, the car wash is trash. At least when my car was dirty like this beforehand with Shell, it actually took it off. This, not so much. Overall review, 2 thumbs down. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Peace.